Have you ever pondered on why domain names and hosting play such a pivotal role in the digital world? Well, today, we're going to unravel the mystery. Let's start by understanding what a domain name is. In simplest terms, a domain name is your website's address. It's how people find you in the vast ocean of the internet. Imagine the internet as a massive city, and your domain name is your home address within that city. Now, choosing a domain name isn't as simple as pulling a name out of a hat. It's a step-by-step process that requires careful thought and planning. First things first, you need to brainstorm. Think about your brand, your purpose, and the message you want to convey. Once you have a list of potential names, it's time to check their availability. There are numerous online tools you can use for this. Remember, a good domain name is short, easy to remember, and easy to type. Avoid using numbers and hyphens as they can often lead to confusion. Once you have a domain name in hand, the next step is to register it. This is done through a domain registrar. They are companies authorized to sell domain names to the public. The process is fairly straightforward, but it does come with a small fee. But a domain name alone isn't enough. You also need hosting. Web hosting is like the plot of land where you build your house. It's where all the files and data that make up your website live. When someone types in your domain name, they are directed to your website, which is stored on your hosting server. Choosing a web host is another critical step. You need to consider factors like storage space, bandwidth, security, and customer service. So to summarize, domain names and hosting are crucial elements in the digital world. They are your website's address and home in the vast city of the internet. Choosing a domain name involves brainstorming, checking availability, and registering it with a domain registrar. And choosing a web host involves considering factors like storage space, bandwidth, security, and customer service. So there you have it. A brief overview of the importance of domain names and hosting, and how to go about choosing them. Remember, your domain name is your first impression, and your hosting is what keeps your website accessible and safe. Choose wisely, and happy building. In the digital realm, making the right decision when it comes to domain name and hosting provider is of paramount importance. So now, let's shine a spotlight on a superior choice for you. RMR-Soft. Recognized for their reliability in the domain and hosting sector, RMR-Soft offers an array of top-tier services. Each one is crafted to secure the smooth and effective operation of your website. By ensuring your website is always accessible, secure, and memorable, RMR-Soft truly leaves its mark. Explore more about their offerings at www.rmr-soft.com.